How to download Dodo Webview. So if you want to download Dodo Webview, then first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. And once you have a stable internet connection, you need to open up your App Store. Once you're on your App Store, you need to go with search icon, which will be on the bottom right. And then you need to go with the search bar, which is again on the bottom. And here you need to search for the application, which is Dodo Webview. Once you search for the application, you will have the application right here. So you need to click on it, and then you will have an option of install or get. You need to just click on that option and just double click to install. And then on the bottom, as you can see, that you will have the install option. You need to tap on install and it will start the installation process. And it might take a few seconds or a few minutes to download the application depending on your network connection, and it will be installed. That's how you can download your Dodo Webview, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.